Hello everyone, this is my next video for this week. So today I will be focusing on landing and landing only. I will try to do the best to teach you how to. So I have it set up on landing mode and paused. I also don't have like on manual weather setting. So here, set environment manually. It should be on. Then weather quality. It should say 0 here. Then time of day 00. Season summer. Okay, so save that and close. So now let's start. Let's unpause it. First, lower the flaps. Then B. Then B for oops. Sorry. Don't let the spoilers go until it's landing time. It's touchdown. G. G for the landing gear. That was a little late, but it's fine. We can still land it. So now the key here is to turn on the spoilers as soon as you touch the ground. So let's go down here. We're about to touch down. And you can do it a little early, it's fine. B. Then brakes. Apply the brakes full. That was a really smoothish landing. So yeah. You can see that we wavered off a bit. Sorry about that, and also the FPS, it's really bad. Let's do that again. This time I won't talk. This was the first landing out of the 3 that I will do. The next one I won't talk, you can just observe what I'm doing. Let's restart and pause. It'll take a few resets. So we're going in. Now, if you look at the RPM meter, it's at 80 right now because I have reverse thrust on. Make sure you always don't forget to do that. And then also the spoiler thing. It should be good. It should be right on time or a little bit early. Little early is fine. Try to do it at this white mark here. That's kind of the landing. Tilt it up as much as you can, then land it. That was a really smooth landing. We'll look at the replay for that in a second. So this aircraft needs a long runway, but if you're a good pilot and you can run it right at the landing point or close to it, it doesn't really take even half of the airstrip. Let's have the parking brake on and turn the engine off. That's good. Okay, so 10 seconds. You need to wait 10 seconds if you want to get the whole thing. And let's have that. I'm going to pause this here, go into a good camera mode. Wheels. We'll be reviewing this again on a different camera mode. Right now you can see the flaps are down. Sorry. Now the gear comes down. Spoilers are not down as you can see. Spoilers will be only down after you have. Okay, so now the reverse thrust is on. I usually judge by looking at this part here or the bottom of the wheels here to see if we're centered and aligned. So now we're tilting up. Look at this thing here. That was a pretty smooth little landing there. Then the airspeed though, the airspeed is the most important. So this is after the landing. This is the taxi procedure. I'm not taxiing here because GeoFS really isn't the best place for taxiing full-fledged landing takeoff. Okay, here we are. Let's exit the player and unpause. Okay, now this one, next one, I will talk. This will take a few resets, mind you, so just bear with it. So now it's on pause. Flap should be down full. Then the gear. Right now, I don't have the throttle full speed or reverse thrust. I just have it at 10 RPM, which is good enough thrust to make sure that you don't sink. So, yeah. My attack angle is really bad, just to increase the airspeed. And then now reverse thrust on. Okay, pitch up, pitch up, pitch up, pitch, pitch. Okay, so we're coming down on it. We just might get the perfect landing. Yes, we have the perfect landing. Yeah, as you saw there, the spoilers were a bit late, so that really wasn't the best landing. Actually, it was good, but not the most professional looking. Let's retry that. Let's go here, let's go here, let's go here. Yeah, that's good. I'm not gonna land on this one, I'm just getting everything ready for the reset. Yep, do the reset. G, flaps. That was a hard incline. Now, I have full throttle on for a bit to make up for the lost speed. Now, we need to pitch down heavily here because that full throttle was not the best idea. And now reverse thrust on. I'm going to focus on the spoilers on this one. I won't talk for the touchdown. Then I'm going to look at a replay for this one. So here we are. Brakes. Okay, that was a good landing, a really good landing. Everything went perfect. It wasn't the smoothest, but it was smooth. Okay, that's good. Let's have the engine turned off. Parking brakes on, spoilers up, spoilers down, sorry, and then flaps up. And now we'll look at a replay in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Here we are. Now this one, no wonky camera modes. I won't talk. That was a good landing. So yeah, that will be it for the video. Let me do a landing without talking at all. Unpause. Please bear with the resets. There you have it. That was the best landing I've had in a long time. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video coming out later today. Bye.